product backlog is one of the 3 Scrum artifacts. The product backlog is an ordered list of the known and valuable work to create the product. It is the single source of work for the Scrum team building the product. Changes in business requirements, market conditions, or technology may cause changes in the product backlog. Product backlog items can be updated at any time. The product owner may do the work to manage the product backlog or may delegate the responsibility to others. However, the product owner remains accountable for the product backlog at all times. Items in the product backlog are known as product backlog items, or PBIs. Product backlog items often have the attributes of description, order, and size. Other attributes may and probably will be added, and attributes often vary with the domain of work. The product backlog must be made transparent. Anyone who has an interest in the product should have access to it. This allows meaningful conversations around order and content and helps the product owner to maximize the value of the product by making more informed decisions. User stories are a good practice used by many Scrum teams to capture and document product backlog items. It is a common but not a mandatory practice in Scrum. Effective product owners don't let product backlogs get too long. As it increases in size, more time and resources are required to manage and refine a product backlog, which will introduce waste and limit the Scrum team's ability to deliver value. A good practice is to keep the product backlog limited to items that realistically can be developed over a known period of time. Ideas and other unlikely work can be removed and stored elsewhere. There are many tools which can be used to manage a product backlog. The most simple tool is post-it notes and some wall space to stick them on. This approach has the advantage of simplicity and low cost, but may not be effective for larger products or where the Scrum team is distributed. At this point, a digital tool will be helpful. There are many digital tools available which range in features and cost. At the simple end is Trello, which offers basic functionality. I use Trello to manage the product backlog for my training organisation, and it works wonderfully for my needs. At the higher end are Atlassian Jira and Microsoft Azure DevOps Server, formerly Team Foundation Server. These offer enterprise-level features including increased security and are the preferred choice of many larger organisations. Many other tools are also available. In the interest of self-management, it is preferable if a Scrum team can select its own tooling.